Good morning. I'm Ajit Kumar Dubey, Assistant Professor, Jamshedpur Cooperative College, Faculty of Education. Today we are going to study course 6 of semester 4, that is Gender, School and Society. Gender, School and Society is a very important paper. It includes three main words: gender, school, and society. Gender, school, and society is nothing. Gender is just like gender refers to the roles and responsibility that students of boy student and girl student perform in school, and men and women perform in that roles and responsibility. Men and women are uh, used are perform in society. So before going to study the unit 1, we are going to study the topic of gender. First of all, you need to understand the meaning of gender. Gender refers to the role and responsibilities of men and women that are created in our family, society, and our culture. It can also says that it also includes the expectations. It also includes the expectations held about the characteristics, aptitudes, and the likely behaviors of both men and women. In simple words, gender roles are change. Gender roles are change over time to time, vary within its culture or in different culture. Gender roles and expectations are learned. In every country, there are social distractions, social differences. Social differences such as political status, class, physical and mental disability, age, and many more many more things that modify the gender role in a society. So we also differentiate it from the word sex. Both the words are look like similar, but they are different in meaning. In simple words, sex means physical differences between men and women, and in comparison to gender, gender is used in connection to the behavior and cultural practice of men and women. Gender is the way society encourages and teaches the two sexes to behave in different through socialization. Gender is a very wide in comparison to sex. A word is also used in your first unit, that is patriarchy. We need to understand the meaning of patriarchy. Patriarchy is a word. Patriarchy is a social system. Patriarchy is a social system that gives power and control to men rather than women. It's a way through cultural norms and customs men get more power and more responsibility in comparison to women. It's a way of behavior, it's a social system. So today we will we have studied the meaning of gender, difference between sex and gender, patriarchy. From next video we will study another topic of unit 1. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.